GST Amendments and Compliance. Stay updated with Filings Corner. Hello and welcome to Filings Corner. India's Goods and Services Tax (GST) regime is constantly evolving, with regular amendments introduced to improve compliance, simplify taxation, and address industry concerns. But here's the thing: not staying updated could lead to penalties, missed credits, or legal troubles. At Filings Corner, we specialize in helping you understand and implement GST amendments, so your business stays compliant, efficient, and penalty-free. What are GST amendments? GST amendments are changes made to the tax law, filing rules, or tax rates. These are introduced through annual finance acts, policy changes announced during the Union Budget GST Council notifications, updates on tax slabs, ITC, and procedural norms, CBIC circulars, clarifications issued by the Central Board of Indirect Taxes. Whether you're a small trader or a large enterprise, these changes affect how you bill, file, and claim. Types of GST amendments. GST updates usually fall into two categories: core amendments. These involve major changes like tax rate revisions, ITC rules, e-invoicing, or return filing structures. Non-core amendments. These include administrative relaxations, procedural changes, or clarifications. Both are important, and understanding them ensures you don't fall behind on compliance. Major recent GST amendments you should know. Let's look at some key changes that may affect your business. E-invoicing. Now mandatory for businesses with turnover above Rs 50 crores for all B2B transactions. Input tax credit, ITC. Changes. You can only claim ITC if the supplier has uploaded their invoice, linking your compliance to theirs. GST on e-commerce. Platforms must now collect tax at source, TCS, on transactions. Real estate GST reforms. Reduced tax rates on affordable housing and revised ITC norms for developers. Annual return updates. Filing GSTR 9 and GSTR 9C is now mandatory for businesses exceeding Rs 2 crores turnover. Why these amendments matter to you? Here's how GST changes directly impact your business. Your tax liability. Even a small rate change can affect your margins, your cash flow. New refund rules or blocked ITC may lock up your working capital. Your compliance. Missed updates may lead to penalties and interest. Your systems and invoices. Operational changes may require ERP or invoicing adjustments. That's why businesses rely on Filings Corner to interpret, apply, and stay compliant with every new update. How Filings Corner helps you stay GST compliant. At Filings Corner, we offer real-time, end-to-end GST support, including instant GST updates. Be the first to know about new rules or circulars. Filing support. Ensure timely and accurate filing of GSTR 1, GSTR 3B, GSTR 9, and more ITC and e-invoicing setup. Implement the latest compliance tech without confusion, audit and reconciliation services, spot mismatches, and avoid future penalties. Tailored compliance solutions, industry-specific advice and implementation, affordable and customized compliance packages. We offer budget-friendly GST packages for retailers, exporters, e-commerce sellers, real estate developers, service providers, MSMEs, and enterprises. Stay ahead with Filings Corner. Call us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to stay updated and compliant with the latest GST amendments. Filings Corner, your compliance, our expertise.